Hi guys, it's Janine with the Vision Division. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing, assembling, and reviewing this Yaheetech wooden bathroom floor cabinet in brown. The link to this cabinet will be in the description below. As always, if this video was helpful or you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you will be the first to know when I post new videos. So let's get started. This video is time-lapse for a shorter video, so please slow down or pause at any point if you need to see what I'm doing clearly. I originally purchased this to go in the bathroom, but I use it in my closet and you will see why. Now this cabinet came in one box and it wasn't very heavy at all. These are the instructions, and this is the hardware. The instructions have me placing all of the KD bolts on the boards first. So the first board is marked with a number 2 and takes 4 KD bolts. The next board is marked with a number 3 and takes 5 KD bolts. This is board number 6 and takes only 2 KD bolts. Next is board number 7 with 6 KD bolts. The board labeled number 4 takes 2 KD bolts on one side and 1 on the other side. Next, I am placing the slides, 4 on board number 2 with 8 screws. I can't tell you the size because the instructions didn't list them, but it says these screws are in hardware pack E. On board number 4, place the remaining 4 slides with 8 more screws. Place 1 wood dowel in board number 6 in the middle. Then connect board number 4 to board number 6. Using 2 KD cams to secure them in place. Place 5 wood dowels in board number 2 and place the small boards number 9, then number 10, securing number 10 with 1 KD cam, and then the second board, number 9. Place 2 wood dowels in board number 2, 2 in each of the number 9 boards, 1 in the number 10 board. Now I'm placing the boards I previously put together on the KD bolts and wood dowels, then securing them with KD cams. Now I'm placing another wood dowel in board number 2 and placing board number 19 on top of it, then securing it with a KD cam. I'm placing board number 12, which is a shelf, on the 2 KD bolts. In board number 19, I use 1 wood dowel and 3 on the bottom of the cabinet. Now be sure to put 1 in the middle hole, not the 2 next to it. I made that mistake and the wood dowel got stuck. I had to use tweezers to get it out. On board number 8, I placed 2 wood dowels, then I secured the shelf with 2 KD cams. It's easier to put the next piece on with the shelf secured. Now I'm connecting board number 3, making sure all the KD bolts and the wood dowels are in place. Then tightening the KD bolts with 5 KD cams. This is the easiest part of the assemble. The 2 backboards, both number 5, slide into the back. And this is the hardest part. I literally had to finish this part off camera. It was so difficult. And these are the messed up results. The screws are all messed up. Here I'm placing 4 shelf holders and I'm placing the second shelf. So before I put the top piece on, I must place 2 wood dowels in the back pieces, 2 more in the middle of the side pieces, and 1 in the middle of the middle piece. Next, I place the top of the piece, making sure all of the wood dowels and the KD bolts are in place. Then I'm securing the top with 6 KD cams. Now it's time for the drawers. The drawers have 5 parts. It has boards 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. "14 is the front, 17 is the back, 16 is the left side, and 15 is the right side. 18 is the bottom." It's best to connect the 2 sides to the front, placing the bottom and then closing the drawer off with the back piece. I did it how the instructions say to do it for the first drawer, but did the remaining 3 like I just suggested. Here I put the wrong board on the right side. I caught it because the holes towards the back of the drawers didn't line up. piece is the door, which is board number 1. First, I'm placing the metal strip, then the hinges, which are 2 of them. And lastly, the knob. Inside the section with the drawers, I'm placing the magnetic piece. Line the hinges up with the holes on the right side of the cabinet. I find it easier to tighten the screws a little bit as I try to get them in all of the holes. It's hard balancing the door. I might have made it look simple, but it took a lot of tries. So apparently the magnet or whatever is supposed to keep the door closed is not working. Now, do you remember those holes in the drawers I mentioned earlier? Little plugs go in there to keep the drawers from falling out when you open the drawers. The trick to this is to push the plugs in all the way, then halfway punch them back out. That is the position they will need to be in order to get the drawers in the cabinet. Once you get the drawers in the cabinet, then push the plugs out more. And there you have it. This is the cabinet. This was the most difficult assemble I have done so far. Even the desk wasn't this hard. I am also disappointed because the door will not stay closed. Whatever it is, a magnet or whatever that thing is, it is not working. I would have returned it, but after all the work to put it together, I didn't want to have to take it apart and put the replacement back together. So I just put it in my bedroom closet and use it for more storage in there. Now, if you haven't seen the video of me assembling the desk, the link is above. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment if you like. Stay safe.